What is up guys? Kumusta kayo dyan? Bale, ito na tayo balik ulit tayo sa workout. Hindi na natin papatagalin guys, no? Ito warm up set, flying machine. After ko mag resistance band stretching, diretso na agad ako dito. So tip guys, warm up set ko, hindi ko siya sobrang binibigatan muna guys. I mean, hindi ko pinapaabot sa tipong sobrang bigat yung bubuhatin ko dahil warm up set nga lang to. Gusto ko lang, kumbaga, mag-open up yung chest fibers ko. Kumbaga, pumunta dun yung blood, yung dugo sa chest, pinaka-target na muscle, sa area na muscle na target ko. At saka nga pala guys, no, bago nga pala ako umupo sa machine yan, bali nag-stretching na rin pala ako ng rotator cuff ko. Bali ginamit yung resistance bands. Siyempre, sobrang importante yung bibigyan ko talaga ng time yun. Kasi ayaw magka-injury. So, kung injury kasi tayo, wala na, sira ng galaw natin. Tandaan nyo, importante yun guys. So yun, bali nga pala ginagawa ko dyan is 3 to 4 sets ng warm-up set. Depende kung sa tingin ko hindi pa ganun ka-pump. Kumbaga, hindi pa ganun ka pumapasok yung blood dun sa chest ko. Ginagawa ko siyang 4 sets. So, ito na nga, no. First working set natin is Smith machine. Kung mapansin nyo, sobrang control ginagawa ko. All the way down. Tapos, hindi sobrang up. So, nakafocus ako dito sa stretch. Tsaka yung tension. Parang laging nandun yung tension. Control down. Then medyo mabilis yung up. At ulit, bali ginagawa ko dito is 3 to 4 sets ulit. So every set, dinadagdagan ko na lang siya ng bigat. At sa repetition naman, nasa 12 to 15 pa rin. So ito, matik, siyempre first set, 15 reps tayo. Tapos guys, sa pag-add naman ng weight, so, hinahanap ko yung bigat, nasa sakto lang sa 8 to 12 repetition. Kumbaga, halimbawa nagdagdag kayo ng weight tapos parang sa repetition nyo, parang kayang-kaya nyo pa rin gawing up to 15 yung repetition. Sabihin, sobrang gaan pa rin ang binubuhat mo. So, mag-add pa kayo ng konti para at least hirap kayo pagdating sa 8 reps to 10 reps. Pero syempre guys, titingnan nyo pa rin yung quality ng buhat tsaka yung form nyo para sakto pa rin yung nai-hit yung muscle. Tsaka nga pala guys, yung gusto nyo mapanood yung show day, yung laro namin sa WBPF Philippines, Mr. and Miss Cavite 2025, lagay ko na lang yung link sa baba or makikita nyo rin yon sa mga na-upload kong videos. Panoorin nyo guys. So, bale, ito na nga pala yung pinaka-heavy set ko guys, no? Dito nyo naman din tayo kalakasan. Pero, mas pinili kong ganyan lang muna kabigat. Basta alam ko, control ko siya sa 8 repetition. Saka nga pala, paspat na rin ako kay paring RJ para sa safety. Alay nyo, yan. Kung bigla na lang ako, nag-lock yung elbow natin. Kumbaga, may tutulong sa atin. Para safe pa rin, kumbaga. Safety lagi. So after nga ng set na yun, no, ginanang ko ulit. Tapos ginawa ko ulit yung halos yung ginawa ko sa first set ko. Parang naglagay pa ulit ako ng another slow. Tapos as in control na rep. Parang pump set ko. Pero wala tong pahinga guys, diretso to. Drop set bali siya. Isang drop. Tapos diretso yan. Pinamp ko na kagad.
Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm the one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah, people tell me I won't get it. They don't know me cause I'm cold winning. Always in the ninth, I closing. It's always in my mind, don't know quitting. I'ma be the one that blows up in it. You gon' be the one that... Ito,
sobrang gusto ko talaga to guys, machine na to. Kasi, ayun, may tan yung binitawan ng pako. May pang-control siya ng machine. Kumbaga, hindi siya basta-basta babagsak. Pag mapa kayo dun sa, yun, nasa bandang babang yun. Yan, makikita nyo mamaya. Anyway, ito nga pala, next workout ko yun. Lalagay lang ako ng sapin para mas extra stretch ulit papunta sa likod. Yan. Para mas ma-hit ko yung bandang lower pec. Yan. Actually, ito sa mid to, pero nagawa ko na lang. Na-adjust ko na kunti yung upo ko, plus mas parang ina-arch ko lalo yung back ko para tumama ng banda sa lower pecs. So yun mga boss, no, ito nga pala yung next workout na tayo. Ito ay katumbas ng dips, so variation ng dips workout. So pag sometimes yun, nagdi-dips ako, pero ito, yan, pamalit ko dun. So hindi ako nag-i-stick lang sa isang workout para sa lower chest ko. Yan. Madalas ito nagagamit ko to. Kasi grabe, sobrang ramdam ko talaga dito. Again, 3 to 4 sets tayo dito. Yan, kita nyo naman, yung muscle fiber ko sa lower chest ko. Boom. Tapos yan, yung form, yan, kailangan nyo lang talaga na ayoko. Yan, dyan. Yan, kita nyo naman yung muscle fibers. Yun, bali isang set lang guys pinito ko sa inyo. Dahil halos pare-pareho lang din naman yung ginagawa ko. Alam nyo na, ang hirap mag-upload na sobrang habang video sa YouTube. Kumbaga, dagdag lang sa pampatagal. So yun guys, next workout na tayo. Triceps naman. Bali sa workout na to, form, sobrang importante ng form. Kasi sa long head natin to. Ayan. Bali ang gagawin natin, hindi sobrang open yung siko. Down as in down, tiklop talaga. Tiklop yung siko. Tapos press up. Tapos slow down. Yan. Slow ang pabalik. Reps. Again, 10 to 15.
Fuck with, I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll make it.
Ito na, next workout na ulit tayo guys. Bali, overhead dumbbell tricep extension tayo. Classic, isa to sa mga una kong natutunan noon. Umumpisa pa lang mag-workout. Dito, 10 to 15 pa rin yung repetition, tapos 3 sets. Bali, ito na yung pinaka-last workout ko dito mga bossing.
Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm not one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah.
So after na itong workout na to, pipiga na tayo mga bossing.
That blows up in it. You gon' be the one that shows up missing. I'ma be the one that knows my mission. You gon' be the one with no ambition. I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash. Always look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the facts. Got nothing to lose, so I put the pen to bed. That's what I do, hard work always lasts. And the pain's not an act, no, it hurts real bad. But you have to attack what you want to attract, or you're gonna look back and regret what you lack. Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast.
They know just what they see on the outside. They don't know just what I'm like on the inside. If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night. I'm the type of dude you don't wanna fuck with. I'm the type of dude enough is enough, bitch. I'm the type of dude who never gets complacent. I'm the type of dude who knows he's gonna make it, I'll
escape from my thoughts like a black hole. Can't escape from these thoughts and these assholes. Too many people feeling entitled. Too many people staying idle. Man, I work every day for the title, and I'ma get it, that thought is final. The way I think you could say is primal. Kill or be killed, I'm your rival. I don't lose, no. I'ma be the one they choose, though. You gon' be the one they lose, ho. Way too busy hitting snooze, bro. I'ma be the one to rise up in it. Never gonna fall, I fight till I get it. Always staying tall, got pride, I'm grinning. I don't really think I'll ever find my limit. And I know that they all wanna hate me, but they see me on the climb, so they wait, see. If I make it, then they just might say, B, you been doing so good, brother K-Lee. I don't wanna hear your words, all the fake shit. Now I want my day, one is you been patient. All the same people, never been complacent. We been working hard, man, we on the same shit. I'm not just a sinner, I eat you for dinner. I'm not a beginner, I'll paint you a picture. I got a guitar and